All right, in lesson 2, we are talking about congruence. So this is lesson 2, chapter 7. You need to know corresponding parts. If you write wrong, if you read wrong, your answer will be wrong. All right, so let us look at this shape here. When you're writing corresponding parts of congruent figures, corresponding okay, lesson 2, chapter 7. Corresponding, why am I spelling wrongly today? Corresponding parts of congruent figures. You have to do 2 parts. When you're talking about a shape, you talk about the sides and you talk about the interior angles. Are we clear? This is the sign of congruency. If you see this sign, it means you're talking about congruent sides or congruent angles. Okay? You should know that. It's called a symbol. Symbol for congruency is this. Symbol. All right. Now let's draw a triangle. I'm going to copyright this one. You have A, you have B, you have C. You have 2 lines here, 1 line here, 90 degree. Congruency signs. You have D, you have E, all right. So when you're writing congruency statements, you will need to do 2. You will need to do 1 for the angles, and you will need to do 1 for the sides. Okay? Then you're going to divide them into 2. You're going to do the pre-image, and then the image over here. The same thing. You're going to do the pre-image, and you're going to do the image over here. Okay? I'm going to use different color for each one. Where's my blue pen? All right. So my first shape is always the pre-image. My second shape is always the image. The first shape is the pre-image. The second shape is the image. The shape on the left is the pre-image. The shape on the right is the image. Always. Okay? All right. So we are doing angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay? I will write the congruency symbols. Angle A matches angle D. This one has 1 line. This one has 1 line. Angle B matches angle E. Both of them are 90 degrees. Angle C has 2 lines. Angle F has 2 lines. So A goes with D, B goes with E, C goes with F. Okay? Now let us do sides. I have AB. Since it is a side, you put a line on top of it. Then I have BC. Then I have CA. So I went A, B, B to C, C to A. A goes with D. So I will write here D. B goes with E. A with D, B with E, like that. B with E, C with F, C with F, A with D. If you do the angles, the sides will come very easy because you're just looking at which letter follows which, okay? Now let's confirm. A, B, D, E. One line, one line. B, C, E, F. Two lines, two lines. C, A, F, D. Three lines, three lines. Okay? So that is how you write the congruency statements. Forgot to put my sign. So we are saying angle A corresponds to angle D. Angle B corresponds to angle E. Angle C corresponds to angle F. Angle line or side. Side AB corresponds to side DE. Side BC corresponds to side EF. Side CA corresponds, so remember to use the word corresponding. So corresponds. AB corresponds to DE, like that. These are called, both of them are corresponding parts. So when you're talking about parts, you talk about angles and sides. Angles and sides. You have to talk about two things, angles and sides, because every polygon has sides and every polygon has angles, and mostly interior angles, okay? All right, let's do this one here. So my corresponding parts, angles, pre-image, image. Okay, this is the top shape. I will put it as my pre-image, and this will be my image. Okay, all right, so I will start my alphabet, A, B, C, D, F, G, H. So G, H, I, angle G, angle H, angle I. Now I go here. I has 2, so L will go with I. G has 1, J. And H has 3, K has 3. So there, I have filled my table. Now I need to do here. So I can do GH, HI, and IG. Okay? All right. Now I look here. G with J, H with K, H with K, I with L. I with L,